Modding Grand Theft Auto and encountered a BUF data file. This contains game data used by various GTA titles. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Grand Theft Auto data files. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single BUF file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. A BUF file, in the context of the Grand Theft Auto series, is a data file used by the game engine to store various types of information, such as model data, collision boundaries, or other compiled game assets. Modders often interact with these files to create and install custom vehicles, characters, or map elements. These files are typically proprietary binary formats optimized for fast loading by the RAGE, Rockstar Advanced Game Engine. The structure is specific to the type of data it holds, containing vertices, physics properties, or other compiled asset information, making them difficult to edit without specialized modding tools. For managing BUF files, the best dedicated software is Grand Theft Auto 5 from Rockstar Games. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows cannot parse game-specific formats, so handling these files requires engine tools. Your reliable starting command is the Open With action. Right-click the BUF file and select Open With. If Grand Theft Auto 5 is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If the BUF file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, using GTA modding tools. Install GTA-specific modding tools like OpenIV for GTA 5, SparkV for GTA 4, or IMG tool for older titles. These applications recognize various GTA file formats and enable modification of game data. Identify the source GTA title to select appropriate tools for working with BUF files. Next, examining with hex editor. Open the BUF file in HXD or 0110 editor to inspect its binary structure. Look for header signatures, text strings, and recognizable patterns that hint at the file's purpose. Compare against known GTA file format documentation from modding communities for identification. Finally, following modding guides. Consult GTA modding communities at GTA forums, Nexus mods, and modding wikis for specific guidance on BUF files. Each game version has unique modding ecosystems with established tools and tutorials. Community knowledge often provides the only reliable documentation for game-specific data formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.